Nowhere else on the market can you find a benchtop planer to match the capacity and raw power of the Grizzly G0815 15-inch 3-horsepower heavy-duty planer. With this 5-star rated feature-packed portable unit, you get the precision of a 3-knife high-speed steel cutter head to plane even the most figured material. And you get a maximum cutting depth of up to 1/8 inch per pass at full width. The headstock sits atop 4 locking column supports, and it easily travels up or down for a maximum cut thickness of 8 inches, which is 33% more capacity than any other planer in its class. And the entire headstock assembly is supported with dual gas struts for smooth travel. You can also quickly change the material feed rate from 16 feet per minute to an impressive 30 feet per minute to perfectly match your material type. A great feature of this benchtop capable unit when compared to similar size heavy-duty models is the fixed table height, which allows for easy one-time setting up of in-feed and out-feed support rollers, rather than chasing the planer bed with each pass. The G0815 also features a large 4-inch dust port for phenomenal chip extraction. We've packed in the features with this compact yet incredibly powerful G0815 15-inch 3-horsepower heavy-duty planer. And if your benchtop space is at a premium, we also offer the T27650 stand, designed specifically for the G0815 planer, and it's ready for your shop today. And you can find it on Grizzly.com.